Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Rizky and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Grace Gabriel Purba with name 25021010307. I am from the Biology Education Study Program 1 semester student University of Jember. Here I will discuss material regarding the human respiration system. What is the human respiration system? The respiration system is the process of taking oxygen O2 from the water and explaining carbon dioxide CO2 from the body. This process is very important because oxygen is needed to burn food and produce energy for body activity. Human respiration, the system organ, the first is nasal safety, the second the pharynx, the third the larynx, the fourth in trachea, the fifth in bronchus, the sixth in bronchioli, the seventh is the alveoli, the eighth diaphragma, and the ninth is the lungs. Human respiration organ, the first is the nasal safety, is functions to filter warmth and humidity the water. The second is the pharynx, which is the waterway from the nose to trachea. The third is the larynx, where the vocal cords and respiration tract. The fourth is trachea, which channel water to bronchi. The fifth is the bronchi, which channel water to right and left lungs. The sixth in the lungs, which are the main respiratory organ where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases occurs, the alveoli. Seven are the bronchioles, which are the small bronchs that carry water to the alveoli. And the eighth is the diaphragm, the respiratory muscle that rises and falls when breathing. Next is the respiratory mechanism. First, there is inspiration or inhalation. The diaphragm draws the chest, safety, and larynx. Water enters the lungs. Second, the in expiration or exhalation, the diaphragm rises the chest safety streak. Water comes out the lungs. That is manifestation of the respiration system. First, it takes oxygen O2 from the water for the body needs. Second, it releases carbon dioxide CO2 from metabolic waste. Third, it helps produce sound through the vocal cord in the larynx. Fourth, it supported the gas exchange process in the alveoli so that body obtains energy from burning food. 50. In the filter, warms and humidifies the incoming water. Alveoli are small water valves in the lungs that are the site of gas exchange between water and blood. The process is that oxygen O2 from the inhaled water enters the blood capillaries around the alveoli. Carbon dioxide CO2 from the blood moves to the alveoli to be released with when exhaling. What are diseases of the respiration organ? The first is asthma, which is shortness of breath due to narrowing of the waterways. The second is flu, which is a viral infection causing choking, running nose, and fever. Third is tuberculosis, which is a lung infection by bacteria, a lung shows and bleeding. The fourth is lung cancer, with abnormal lung cell growing too often exposed to cigarette smoke. How to maintain healthy respiratory organ? The first is avoid smoking, the second is excreci lugari, the third is to avoid pollution or dogs. The fourth is consuming healthy food. Thank you and see you later.